Welcome to London with me, Esha Shroff Shah, sharing this vlog with you all of my 8-day trip in London, sharing what I think is the best of London, and I am here to be a suggested guide to future visitors. That's you guys. Places to visit, tourist spots, places to eat, the Red London bus, the Black taxi, things you should do around London. I am here to share it all and show you London through my eyes. If you all are new to the channel, hello, this is Esha and I'm hoping to help you find your next best holiday destination. So come along. Welcome to London, guys. Starting a London tour with some tourist destination. It generally takes 2 to 3 days to see all the touristy destinations in London. Today we are exploring the Buckingham Palace, Trafalgar Square, museums, Horse Guards Parade, London Eye, Westminster Abbey and much more. It could generally take a few hours to the full day exploring, depending on how deep you would like to explore the city. And right now we are at the Buckingham Palace, but it's super crowded and this is what it looks like. Walking down the lane, just 10 minutes later comes the Trafalgar Square. It is famous for being home to the National Gallery, alongside to the iconic Neil's Column. Walking down the street and looking at these beautiful cafes right around the corner is the Horse Guards Parade, one of the most beautiful locations you would love to witness through your eyes in London. Walking through the busy streets and the touristy destinations, how could I miss the red telephone booth? Of course, I had to get in and take a picture. And there you are at the Big Ben and the London Eye. What a beautiful sight. I still cannot get over how beautiful this sight was. And of course, I had to pick some souvenirs for myself. Spent the later evening at the most famous Leicester Square. Had to visit two of the most famous places, the Legoland, one of them being one of the best places you will ever come across, and the M&M's World. Divided into 3 floors, this place is a chocolate heaven and you cannot get away without trying and buying some of the best chocolates in the world. You haven't really enjoyed London if you haven't had the cajun fries at Five Guys. And later in the night, we enjoyed local beer and some beautiful music at a local bar in London. Hello guys! Today we are in Cambridge. Cambridge is one of the most beautiful cities in England, best known for its legendary universities. Just 2 hours away from London, it's a very popular getaway spot for Brits and tourists. A day trip from London would be perfect to explore Cambridge. Through Punting River tours, you can witness its greenery, glory, universities and beautiful old buildings. Only if I wish I could study just to be able to witness this beauty every single morning. Cambridge also has some beautiful small cafes and restaurants which you should definitely try. We tried hot chocolate at this very beautiful small cafe and enjoyed some pasta and pizza at Prezzo. Guys, I'm just showing you easy way how you can travel in London, and let me just get you into it directly. So supposing right now I am at North Harrow and I am looking at going at the Covent Garden. So you go to the directions then on Google Maps. They show you various options how you can travel. One of them is, supposing this is the first one I take, which is 49 minutes. So when I go to start, here are all this, every single detail. So supposing I am at this location, I need to walk for 2 minutes to reach the North Harrow station. From there, all the details have been given where it's a metropolitan line. I need to go 9 stops ahead and get down at the King Cross St. Pancras station, walk for 4 minutes again, then change my line to the Piccadilly line, then get down at the Covent Garden, walk for 3 minutes and there I am.
agenda for today is we got down at the Covent Garden. Now we are walking the streets. Basically, it's all about shopping. It's a shopping day today. So we are just going through the streets. Next, we go to the Piccadilly Circus, which is another street. After that, we are doing a Canary Street, and then we go to the Oxford Street. So basically, we are going to be just walking around today and looking around for places we can shop and just enjoy London in general. We are walking in the Leicester Square, and there are a lot of cinemas, food places. Basically, all of them in London is like connected. So you always have to check where you want to go, and then I think most of the thing is like minimum in the central is 20-30 minutes walk, and I think that you can divide it into 3 days and three different parts.
After enjoying the Piccadilly Circus, we had to pass from the Regent Street. This street is the best during Christmas. We also saw a lot of amazing brands which are unfortunately not available in India. And we also went to the best place ever, Hamley's London, and oh god, we couldn't stop.
Hello guys! A quick update. We have been, like I mentioned in the morning, we have been walking the Canary Street, the Oxford Street. So we haven't actually walked the whole Oxford Street because we came out from the Regent Street, so we could just see the half of it. And haven't bought anything yet because I wanted to honestly just see brands that are available and the pricing and what I like, and then finally buy. And I might come back tomorrow or day after to shop and get all the things that I really want. um, London is pretty expensive, and haven't really bought much or thought of buying much. Of course, Primark is the game changer. You need to go to Primark if you are here. Yeah, I've been just walking around right now. We just sat at a cafe for some coffee. I literally had a massive shoe bite, so I ran to buy just some slippers for myself to comfort my leg because I cannot walk anymore. So this is like a mid break, and we had Mexican food at this very amazing restaurant, which I might have not vlogged, but I'll show you some pictures that I have taken for my Instagram. What was the name of the place? Yeah, Oaxaca, and the food was so good, guys. You have to try that place out, definitely.
When in central London, this is a definite to-do place. It's called the Said Dal in London, and oh my god, they have the best chocolate cups and chocolate desserts. You cannot miss them out.
Good morning. Today we are on our way to the London Tower. And then there is a very cute market there called the Borough Market, which I'm really interested in going to. So that's on the list.
Borough Market, located in Southwark, London, one of the oldest and largest food markets of London. Famous for selling artisan prepared foods, fresh organic produces, desserts, cheese, and much more. This place is definitely worth visiting, but if you are a vegetarian, you can definitely give it a skip. Walking just a mile away through the Queen's Walk, you can witness the beautiful HMS Belfast built by the Royal Navy. You can also visit it from inside with a fee charge or just enjoy it while you walk towards the London Bridge.
We are finally at the Tower Bridge, and it's such a beautiful view. And I'm going to quickly show you how it looks, and you're going to love it. Wait, let me go that side for you guys. And here it is at my back. So beautiful.
Just being able to walk at the Tower Bridge and being able to witness the opening of the bridge and a ship passing just felt like a dream come true.
finally saw the Tower Bridge and the opening and shutting of it, and it was so good. I mean, it's just so fun to see things like this because you see it all in movies, and when it's in real, you're like, you just feel it's so unreal. And I'm absolutely loving it. And I don't think we're doing anything here, so I think we're going back to the central Oxford Street now for some more shopping.
Carnaby Street is a total vibe. Shopping is perfect during the day, and you can enjoy some local beer and food at the street during the evening. We enjoyed it at the Flair Bar and had an amazing time.
Good morning, guys. Today is a fresh new day, and today's day is also dedicated to shopping. So, we are going to Uxbridge, which is again a high street with some shopping brands in.
This is an all stations the Metropolitan Line train to Uxbridge. The next station is Ruislip Manor.
We are exhausted shopping, and we have done quite some shopping in here. And yeah, I think if you guys want to shop and need a peaceful shopping time, you will not find all the brands here, but you'll find quite a lot. You can, of course, Google it then and come to Oxbridge, which is really scenically beautiful. There are small towns, and the city is really small. Okay, my hair looks a little messed up. Okay, sorry, I'm distracted. Yeah, so I was saying the Ox Street is really a nice place to shop. It's very calm and nice. There's a mall, there are some shops and boutiques on the way as well. And yeah, you should definitely try it if you're not the kind of person who, wants to be in the rush. Like, I will definitely suggest if you want to go to Primark, go to a location which is offbeat and not on the main streets. You will find the best collection there, and you will find a lot of sizes available there. We got down at the Wembley Stadium, and from the Wembley Stadium there is a market this side. That's basically, it has all the branded clothing outlets, factory stores. So we are here to just explore and buy some more stuff. Do we have any lint fans here? Then this one's for you guys. Show me the bag. Wait, stop. Open them up. We are finally at Bicester Village, and this is how it looks. Unfortunately, it's a Sunday and it's super crowded.
Bicester Village is a designer outlet shopping center, home to more than 160 boutiques of the world's most desirable brands. Of course, we had to get in and see some of the best brands available in the world. Bicester Village is open from Monday to Sunday, 9 to 8.
Basically, Bicester Village is more like an outlet shopping place where you get a lot of big brands, Coach, Gucci, Dior, all of them. And not all the products are available, just a few of them are available, like the limited ones or whole collection basically at a reasonable rate. But I cannot buy these expensive brands, bro. I wanted to buy a Coach, but unfortunately the one that I really like is not available, so I am giving it a second thought to buy something else. But I think I'm stuck to that bag. Can you guess which bag it is going to be? It's a Coach bag, a beautiful iconic bag, and I'm stuck there. Today we are at Watford.
Spent our second last day at Watford. This place has some amazing shopping brands and a perfect outdoorsy vibe. Watford is famous for the Harry Potter studios, and it's the best place for fans to visit. However, we gave it a skip and enjoyed playing mini golf at Putt Shack.
Last day in London.
Enjoyed some last minute shopping and walking around the parks of London. We also had some delicious meals before we left. But if you guys still have questions about London, you can please leave me a comment and I am going to be so happy to answering them all. Hoping to see you guys in the next vlog. Signing off, this is Esha Shroff Shah. Thank you for watching.
I am going to miss London so much. These empty roads. Luckily, we've seen it's autumn, which is so beautiful, and these amazing leaves. Ending my London vlog right here because there is something super exciting for the next 10 days, and you're going to see that in the next vlog. It's another destination and it's another country. You are going to have the best time because it is going to be so beautiful and it's autumn there. So super excited to show you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and stay tuned because the next video is coming super soon.